how to slay the first-headed beast, disability probate court. Oh, hey folks, elder law care attorney Patrick Kelleher coming to you from elderlawcare.com. Welcome, elder law care warriors. Folks, today's subscriber's question that was sent in is, hey Patrick, could you help us give us some essential estate planning tips relative to a family member or loved one with Alzheimer's disease? Folks, I'm going to give you four tips that will assist you and your loved ones if you have a loved one in your family suffering from dementia or Alzheimer's. Number one, Big Six disability planning. I talk about it frequently in my book and at our educational workshops and programs in the community. And we always make sure it's part and parcel of our clients' elder law toolbox, Big Six disability planning. From my experience, the 6 essential tools to have in your loved one's elder law toolbox for anyone 60 years of age and over, or sometimes even younger. Number one, folks, let's run through it because it's important. What are the big 6? Number one, durable power of attorney. Durable power of attorney to avoid conservatorship proceedings at the probate court. Number 2, healthcare proxy to avoid guardianship proceedings at the probate court. The cousin to healthcare proxy, advanced medical directives to give you and your loved one the 4 C's so you can memorialize medical checklist on the type of care you would want in a given circumstance. Make it easy for your loved ones. Give them the confidence and the comfort to make decisions with confidence to avoid family conflict, as well as avoid conflict with medical professionals. Number 4, HIPAA authorization, Health Insurance Portability Accountability Act of 1996. What is that? Medical privacy confidentiality laws. You need to give your loved ones a key to your medical vault so they can get a second opinion in a time of need, or even access your medical records after you go up to your cloud if there's any uncertainty around your passing and the family needs closure and certainty. Give them access to your medical records. Number 5, living will. What is that? It's a DNR, like a do not resuscitate. Number 6, Big 6 is what? Spoon-fed directive, because that's a standard medical protocol being used in nursing homes and in memory care units. If you're no longer eating under your own volition, the staff is trained to pick up a spoon, manually spoon feed you, and the brain is that of a baby bird, has an eating reflex. There's cases where it can sustain your life by greater than 10 years. Folks don't want that. So number 1, Big 6 disability planning. Watch some of our other videos on that as well. I recommend read about it in my book as well that you can pick up on Amazon. How to Avoid the Four-Headed Beast of Estate Planning and Elder Law, attorney Patrick Kelleher. Number 2, folks, if your loved one does not have testamentary capacity to sign the Big 6 disability planning, if they're already significantly declined with diminished capacity because they need what they call testamentary capacity to legally sign and have a notary notarize their power of attorney and some of the other important legal instruments like a will and a trust, then you may need to petition the probate court for conservatorship. Conservatorship will allow you to manage their financial affairs, and you can apply to the probate court sometimes, petition to also create an estate plan if needed as well. Number 3, guardianship. If you have to apply for a formal guardianship process through the probate court, then you can legally step into your shoes and manage all medical affairs of your loved one. Number 4 is you should have yourself appointed as your loved one's representative payee at the local Social Security office so you can help them manage their Social Security income to help them pay their bills. Folks, there you have it right there. That's 4 essentials for your loved one with Alzheimer's disease and or dementia. And of course, on top of that, folks, make sure you meet with your local experienced elder law attorney for your loved one. Make sure they properly create their trust and their will. And when they create a trust, folks, step 1, step 2, get all their treasures in there, their home, their non-real estate assets, get it all in the treasure chest. That's called trust funding, step 2 of the process. Step 3, keep a good eye on that treasure chest as they journey through life so you can keep the dust and the rust off it for law changes and life changes. Really, really important, folks, because the day your loved one signs their trust is important, but what's the most important day it needs to work? Hopefully a long time from now, but as our 3-step process chart illustrates here, when you're passing that treasure chest off to your loved ones. So there you have it, folks. If you found this video helpful, please scroll down, post a comment, a question. Please share this video with others you love about and care about. But also, folks, please click the bell so you can be notified with additional elder law videos coming up, and subscribe to our channel because we will keep you updated on how to slay that four-headed beast. Folks, thanks for joining us today at elderlawcare.com.